Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a hair review for you guys. I was contacted by the guys at STWFBLOG and they kindly sent me this lovely Peruvian hair wig. So I want to show you how I'm gonna style it. I love the color. That was my first impression. When I was approached by them, I was asked to pick a hair that I would like to feature, and I chose this red hair mainly because I've never actually worn a red hair before and I would like to try something different. It feels so nice. It is Peruvian Remy hair, and the curls is intact, but I will be styling it to my satisfaction and how I would wear it on a normal day. Obviously I've got my cap on and I've gelled my baby hair already, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna take out all the packaging away from the wig. Obviously I'm a huge fan of wigs. I wear wigs literally all the time, even though and especially now that I'm just growing back my hair, the wig is definitely a lifesaver. The hair, I think it's between a 16 inch at the back. The longest is probably 16 inch, but it is definitely long, and it's got it's a wig cap and it's got like a L pattern. So I'm going to be picking this out just to make the pattern a little more defined, because it's not as defined as I would like it to be. The curls are really nice. I love the color. It's very vibrant. Like I said, I've never worn a red hair before, so this is something I'm really excited about. Okay, so I am gonna put it on my hair, and I think one thing that is so cool about it is because it's got this little elastic here that you can actually pull to secure the wig a lot more better. So let's put it on. Oops. Wow, red hair. I'm just so excited about this. Okay, so I'm just gonna try to find where I would like to put the pattern, so that you can see right there. Okay, I know it looks a bit crazy right now, but I am gonna style it out. It does feel really nice, and it's so light as well, and although it feels light, it looks so full too. Okay, so I'm gonna brush it out slightly so that it doesn't look very crazy. It feels so nice and it comes really well. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to make a line there. This is where the pattern is going to be going. I'm going to plot this slot out just by pulling them out like that, just to make the pattern a little bit more defined, so I'll get a more realistic effect. Okay, obviously I can literally still go out like this, but just because I like my curls to be proper curly and all up popping and stuff, I'm gonna run a bit of tongue through the loose ones and then just press down this side, so that I'm gonna have a little bit more of a flat pattern basically. But I am loving this hair, so I'm gonna take my tongue and just hold it down here, so they're just gonna flatten the side. So basically STWFBLOG, it's a online website that sells all types of hair, closure, wigs, frontals, you name it, it's all there. Ooh. Yeah, and that is it, my friend. I am ready to hit the road. guys, what do you guys think of this hair? Please comment below and let me know what you think. I'll be leaving a discount code in the description box, so make sure you grab yourself one of these because this is absolutely gorgeous. Thank you very much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next video.